Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you.
Cozy outdoor living space, featuring lush greenery and vibrant pillows in various colors like orange, teal, and purple, evoking a Bohemian aesthetic. Set in an urban courtyard with exposed brick walls and soft, warm lighting from hanging string lights. Central focus on an intricate red patterned rug on wooden decking. Surrounded by potted plants and lanterns, creating an inviting atmosphere with a sense of tranquility. Impressionistic style, emphasizing warmth and rich textures, capturing the essence of an intimate gathering space. A lush, tropical lounge area with rattan furniture, featuring 2 sofas and a round coffee table, surrounded by vibrant greenery and colorful flowers. The scene captures the ambience of a serene garden retreat, illuminated by warm sunlight filtering through the leaves. The rattan furniture boasts soft, pale cushions with pastel accents, while the striking purple orchids and green foliage create a harmonious contrast. The flooring consists of rich, textured brown tiles, enhancing the natural aesthetic. In the background, tall city buildings peek through the lush plants, adding an urban touch. The overall style is hyper-realistic, emphasizing the vivid colors and intricate details of the plants and furniture. The mood is tranquil and inviting, perfect for relaxation in a botanical oasis. A cozy rooftop terrace with a lush garden overlooking a vibrant city skyline. The setting combines rustic wooden beams and brick walls with a modern touch. The scene is filled with an abundance of colorful flowers, primarily purple and orange blooms, cascading from planter boxes and pots. A comfortable, deep seating area with plush cushions in soft earth tones is nestled against the backdrop of greenery. The soft morning light bathes the space, enhancing the colors and creating a tranquil atmosphere. The view shows tall skyscrapers in the distance, contrasting with the natural elements, while a woven rug adds texture to the terracotta tiled floor. Hyper-realistic details highlight the vibrancy of the plants and the warmth of the setting. A serene garden scene, showcasing a rustic wooden picnic table and benches positioned on a cobblestone path. In the center, a charming stone fountain adds a soothing element, surrounded by a vibrant array of blooming flowers in shades of orange, yellow, and green. Lush greenery envelopes the setting, with climbing vines and flowering plants creating a natural canopy. The space features wooden structures and windows, hinting at a cozy, inviting atmosphere reminiscent of a cottage garden. The lighting is soft and diffused, evoking a tranquil impressionist aesthetic, with a palette dominated by earthy tones and bursts of color from the flowers. Tropical oasis featuring a serene, winding pool surrounded by lush greenery, 2 suspended wicker hammocks adorned with soft, pastel pillows, dappled sunlight filtering through a canopy of palm leaves, vibrant bougainvillea blooms enhancing the scenery, earthy stone and terracotta elements integrated into the design, a harmonious blend of natural textures. Emphasize hyper-realistic details, rich green hues against warm, earthy tones, and a tranquil ambience that evokes relaxation and escape. A vibrant rooftop terrace showcasing a stunning view of a bustling city skyline under a clear blue sky dotted with soft, fluffy clouds. The space features a modern aesthetic with outdoor furniture made of rich wood, including a spacious sectional sofa adorned with colorful patterned throw pillows. A geometric wooden coffee table sits center stage, surrounded by lush greenery and stylish planters. The setting is bright and inviting, with warm sunlight casting gentle shadows, and hints of pastel hues in the decor. The floor is designed with a mix of natural wood planks and a patterned rug. The overall atmosphere conveys a sense of relaxation and urban sophistication, blending nature with contemporary design in a hyper-realistic style. A serene rooftop terrace overlooking a vibrant city skyline, featuring a modern outdoor lounge area. The scene is bathed in warm sunlight, highlighting the sleek, dark gray sectional sofa adorned with orange and patterned cushions. In the center, a round wooden coffee table showcases a small, lush potted plant. Lush greenery surrounds the space in large planters, contrasting with the soft, natural wood flooring and a textured, light-colored rug. The sky is a bright blue with scattered clouds, creating a tranquil atmosphere. The background reveals a distant cityscape with tall buildings, enhancing the urban feel. The overall aesthetic is hyper-realistic, capturing the perfect blend of modern design and nature. Cozy terrace scene at sunset, showcasing a stylish outdoor seating area surrounded by lush greenery and colorful lavender plants. The setting features rustic terracotta pots in various sizes, filled with vibrant plants. A central large orange planter holds lush greenery, enhancing the inviting atmosphere. Woven wicker chairs with light-colored cushions are arranged around a low table, with a soft, textured natural fiber rug beneath. In the background, a panoramic city view is illuminated by the golden hour, with soft blue and pink hues in the sky, creating a warm and serene ambience. The overall aesthetic is a blend of contemporary elegance and rustic charm. A modern outdoor kitchen on a sunny rooftop terrace, showcasing a sleek wooden cabinetry and a shiny black gas grill. The scene is filled with vibrant greenery from various potted herbs and vegetables, including basil, parsley, and thyme, surrounding the cooking area. Warm golden sunlight bathes the space, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. The background features sleek, contemporary apartment buildings, enhancing the urban setting. The colors are rich and lively, with deep greens, earthy browns, and sunlit yellow accents. A few items sit on the countertop, bottles of olive oil, spices, and fresh ingredients ready for cooking. The overall aesthetic is hyper-realistic, emphasizing detail and depth, inviting viewers to imagine the delicious meals that could be prepared in this lush, urban oasis.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.